Hey guys, today's Natto Master will show us the way properly cook nattos. There are the 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. On the left, it's a shiso leaves. On the right, it's okra, 2 pieces of okra. On the top, it's the leek. And looks like a pudding, Japanese mustard on the top. Now, look how she stare. Looks like we have to stare so hard. I guess I'm doing wrong. Yeah. Looks like this is I need a skill of staring technique. I guess I am learning how to do it. Now watch the technique of slicing leaves. Amazing. And here goes the leek on. Now the time of chopping okra. I won't be able to do it this way. That's awesome. Now I see the MCT oil. Wow, I wonder the MCT oil used for. The microwave. It looks like I gotta heat up the okra. Maybe there is some reason we need to heat the okra though. Now it looks like this is a secret ingredient, so looks like this is a final piece of natto sauce on the top. So it looks like I'm doing wrong because I'm putting natto sauce and mustard without stirring. Looks like this is a key to become a Natto Master. Now here goes the stirring time. Looks interesting. Now I guess we have like a final piece. How gorgeously presented and add every single okra and Cecil leaves and everything into one piece. This is a final product by Natto, made by Natto Master.